Martin here with another video. So in this video we're going to take a look at how you can back up your Mac by setting up Time Machine. I'll explain what Time Machine is, what you need and how to set it up. So let's get started. So firstly, what is Time Machine? Well, Time Machine is Apple's built-in backup feature that makes regularly backing up your device really simple and really easy. What are you going to need? The only thing you need is an external hard drive. Any external hard drive should be compatible. It should have at least the same storage capacity as your Mac, although more is recommended. I recommend probably going for about double the storage capacity of your Mac, but as long as it has at least the same, then you should be fine. So let's go ahead and get it started up. When you connect up your external hard drive to your Mac, if it's a brand new hard drive, you'll probably see a pop-up asking you if you'd like to use the drive with Time Machine. Select yes. However, you may have another hard drive lying around that you want to use, or that pop-up may not appear. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and click on the Apple icon in the top left hand. We're going to go to System Preferences, and then inside of System Preferences we're going to go ahead and click on Time Machine, which is here. So once we have this Time Machine window up, all you need to do is select the backup disk that you wish to use. So I could select my external hard drive here, which I have named as work hard drive. Use disk. So what you may find, so if you've got a disk that has a lot of information already on it, if you have a hard drive that's maybe perhaps in the wrong format, then it will ask you to go ahead and erase it. So if you're sure that's the hard drive you want to use, you're going to hit erase. If you're not, then you're going to go ahead and select a different volume from there. So once it's selected, you check the backup automatically checkbox here, and then essentially that's it. So your Mac will now periodically back up your MacBook to your selected hard drive, and it gives you essentially the information here. So it gives you local snapshots as space permits, hourly backups for the past 24 hours, daily backups for the past month, and weekly backups for all previous months. It then says the oldest backups are deleted when your disk becomes full. So essentially, if your disk was full, it would delete the oldest and then add the newest to it. So you can see that it's really simple, really straightforward, and once you've set it up, you then don't have to think about it. Okay, as long as your external hard drive is connected, Time Machine will keep working. So you've got Time Machine all set up, all working, but how do you actually go about restoring some files? Maybe you accidentally deleted a file a few days ago or weeks ago and you want to try and restore it. Well, that's the beauty of Time Machine. You can go back, you can find the file you want, and then you can add it back to your machine. So what we're going to do is on this same window in System Preferences, so if you weren't sure, that was the Apple logo, System Preferences and Time Machine. We're going to go ahead and just check this Show Time Machine in Menu Bar option here. And what that will do is add Time Machine, so what looks like this clock icon here, up in our top menu bar. So it's just a nice little shortcut that we can have. Once you've got that, what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to select Enter Time Machine. Issue into this view where essentially it has, so today now, it's saying this is what's in my desktop. I can check my documents, but I can also go back and periodically. So I could go back 3 weeks. I can then find the file or folder I want. I check that file or folder, and then I would hit restore. Okay, so once I hit restore, it will add it back onto my Mac, and there you go, no more lost file. So there you have it. Really quick, really easy, and a great thing to set up with your Mac so that you can get any files or folders that maybe get deleted by accident, go missing, or something happens to your MacBook. I hope that's been useful, and I'll see you in the next video.